Hello, my name is Rodrigo D'Angelo. I'm from Brazil. I'm living in China about 3.5 years now. I'm a designer and I work with different kinds of products, mostly fitness and kitchenware products. Oh, very nice. The robot folds the box. I could choose other countries that could be cheaper, but why I choose China? China is the best place to manufacture products. So make all sense. I came to China to speed up production and make the product feasible. It should be more than 200. Yes. The prototype before this one, the temperature is better than this one. Yeah.
Yes, quite different. That's it.
One of the things that more impressed me is the speed of things happen here in China. Really, it's very fast. Not only construction, infrastructure, no. And the mindset of China is changed. China is now an ecosystem that can understand a lot about products and can create innovation and products with high level quality. When I tell everyone, hey, I have a daughter made in China, because my second daughter born here in China.
Olivia is studying in a great school, and now she can speak Chinese fluently and English as well. And we expect this happen with Monica as well. Maybe she will start speak Chinese first, then Portuguese. I don't know.
I think so. In China here, it looks like we are living like in the future. Yeah, because of the buildings, because of technology and everything. And if you don't believe me, check my social media, check my Instagram. Then you